Hello and welcome to How to Play Pyramid Solitaire, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the card game Pyramid Solitaire. To play, you will need a 52 card deck. The game is set up by creating a 7-row pyramid. The top of the pyramid is 1 card. The next row down has 2 cards that overlap the first row. This continues with each row increasing by 1 card, with cards overlapping the previous row. The remaining deck is set at the bottom of the pyramid. The object of the game is to remove all the cards from the pyramid. Cards are removed in pairs that add up to 13. For example, the 8 and the 5 are removed together as they add up to 13. Aces have a value of 1. Jacks a value of 11, Queens a value of 12, and Kings a value of 13. All other cards are of face value. Kings are removed by themselves without a pair. The game begins by removing any pairs available. Here I can remove the 6 and 7, which add up to 13. Removed cards form a discard pile. Cards from the remaining deck can be flipped up and used as a pair to remove cards. Here, the flipped up 3 can combine with the 10 for 13. The next flipped up card is an 8 and combined with the 5 for 13 and removed. By removing the 5, a queen in the second row becomes open. Only open cards can be removed. The ace from the first row is combined with the now open queen and removed. The cards continue to be flipped and paired if possible. Next, a king is flipped up and is moved directly to the discard pile, as kings do not need a pair to be removed. Next, a 2 is flipped up. There are no jacks to pair it with, so the 2 begins the waste pile. Anytime a card from the deck is not used, it is moved face up to the waste pile. Play continues until all cards have been removed from the pyramid or there are no more moves to make. The top card on the deck and the top waste pile card can be combined and removed if equal to 13. The top card of the waste pile can be paired and removed with a card from the pyramid if equal to 13. An open move can be skipped if wanted. Here, the 8 can be paired with the open 5, but the move is skipped because the 8 is better used to clear the 5 blocking another 8. Once the deck runs out, the waste pile can be turned over to reset the deck to draw from. If you are able to remove all the cards from the pyramid, you win the game. If you get stuck and can't make any more moves, you lose the game. Make the game a little more challenging by trying to pair every card from the pyramid, draw deck, and waste pile. That wraps up How to Play Pyramid Solitaire. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching!